Wildcat, the silent hunters of the forest. Intro. Hook lines, silent, invisible, but always watching. A shadow that moves without sound, a hunter that strikes without warning. Today, we reveal one of nature's most elegant and deadly predators, the wildcat. Who is the wildcat? Wildcats are the ancestors of domestic cats, living freely in forests across Europe, Asia, and Africa. They are known for exceptional hunting skills, silent movement, sharp vision, and hearing, small in size, but powerful in impact. Masters of stealth, the wildcat's greatest weapon is silence. While hunting, they control their breathing move without disturbing leaves, wait patiently for the perfect moment, one leap, and the hunt is over. Diet and hunting skills. Wildcats are carnivores. Their prey includes rodents, birds, rabbits. Small reptiles. Speed and agility are essential for survival. A life of solitude. Wildcats live alone. They do not form packs. Solitude helps them stay hidden, protect territory, conserve energy. They only meet during mating season. Threats and survival. Wildcats face threats not only from predators, but from habitat loss and human activity. Still, their intelligence, camouflage, and patience keep them alive. Nature's lesson. The wildcat teaches us that power does not always need noise. Silence, timing, and precision are true strengths. Conclusion and message. Wildcats are the unseen masters of the forest. Quiet but deadly, small but unstoppable. In nature, survival often belongs to those who wait. Subscribe and like. Call to action. If you enjoy learning about hidden wildlife predators,